So, how cluttered is your office? I'm Stephanie Shalofsky of the Organizing Zone, and our offices, very much like our homes, need to be periodically decluttered and reorganized. This was the case for my client. His company was subletting their current space with plans to move into their own space in the near future. So, this was the perfect time to get the space decluttered because after a while, we just don't see the trees from the forest and stuff is just piling up. So what was the clutter looking like? What did the space look like when I first walked in? Well, there were dead flowers on the windowsill, but there were new flowers on the table. So that was a good thing and a bad thing. There were piles of mail, boxes that had been delivered but never opened. There were abandoned computers that no longer worked in their supply area. And there were 5 file cabinets of paper that had to be sorted through. The company was mostly paperless, so most of the stuff wasn't even needed anymore. So we did a 4-day organizing blitz. So at the end of it, we had 5 large laundry hampers of trash and recycling. We went through those file cabinets and weeded all the paper down to just like a handful of stuff that had to be kept. The rest of it went into the recycling pails. The computers were sent off to be recycled. The procedures that were needed to actually better maintain this space were put into place. So there'd be no more piles of mail, no more dead flowers. Deliveries would be handled in a timely manner so that the staff would be able to just manage everything much more efficiently because everybody now had a responsibility in keeping the space better organized. So my client was happy and now refers to me as the guru of organization and the goddess of decluttering. So I'll take both of those very happily. If you want to see other case studies, please visit my YouTube channel at theorganizingzone.com. And if you have a specific question about decluttering your space, just email me at stephanie@theorganizingzone.com. See you next time.